Hope you're doing well. It's just a quick video out on a Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. Just want to take a quick ride, kind of clear my head, talk a little bit. I had some plans to do more videos last weekend. My overall intention with the channel is to put out on average a video a week. So I'm still at that average. This is coming up on a month now, only a month that the channel's been on, but I think I've got 6 videos there, so I'm still above average. But I didn't get to publish anything last weekend, and it was not for lack of trying. I just had a series of failures. And the first thing I did last weekend, took a nice long ride Saturday. Just wanted to get some nice riding footage. It was one of my favorite roads. Kind of started around this route here, and took a nice ride. Had the GoPro going the whole time, and turned out that I had the focus set on narrow, and so had 40 minutes of great footage of the road 10 feet in front of me. So that was failed number 1. And so fail number 2, I got home after that ride, took my helmet off, and chunks of the liner started falling out, the foam liner. And I had already replaced that helmet as my main helmet. I got a new helmet just to be my regular main helmet. Got a Shoei RF 1400. I'll review that. I'm liking it a lot so far, but I'll do a full review of that one later on. But I didn't want to attach the GoPro mount and everything to it, and then the microphone. I just kind of wanted to keep it as a regular helmet, and then have my older helmet just do video duty, and that way I could just, grab it. Everything's already set up, ready to go. Slap the GoPro on, and we're good from there. Gotta be careful with these bikers. So that was fail number 2. The helmet just decided it was time. It didn't want to just be relegated to GoPro and video duty. It wanted to be put out to pasture. And fair enough. I got that helmet. That was the first helmet I got when I started riding again about 5-6 years ago. It might be 6 years now, and it might be more than that. So it had definitely lived a full life, right? Got it on sale. I got a really good deal on it from Competition Accessories when they had their warehouse down here. So it was a floor model. I think I got it for maybe around $250, $275, which for any Shoei, even if it was an entry-level Shoei, it was a phenomenal deal. But then when I got it home, and I didn't know any better since I was a new rider, I looked at the expiration date, or the born on date, and it was already pushing 3 or 4 years old. And they say that you should replace a helmet at least after 5 years of use, or 7 years of age. So I basically bought a helmet with a very, that already expired its shelf life just about. And I took that helmet, rode it across the country and back, so it definitely got a lot of use out of it. But I was hoping to just get a little bit more and let it do some GoPro duty, but it said no. So I ended up going out to Cycle Gear and got a Shoei RFSR. You can maybe see it right here. Mounted the GoPro and everything to it, and was going to test it out. I think this was Sunday, so went for a ride Sunday to test it out and see how everything worked. And went for a ride here. It's basically talking about most of the things I am now, how everything went wrong. Had a good ride. Got back. It took my helmet off and realized I had not plugged in the microphone. So I'm like, this is par for the course for the weekend. And so I did get some good footage I could use for later on, but I just laughed and shook my head and said, all right, I was not in the cards to do a video this weekend. I'd also tried to do a video on the quad lock phone mount install, and I got one that fits in the stem hole. Oh, that'd be great. It would kind of cover this area right here, keep the handlebars clean, have all your instrumentation and information right here in one place. I thought especially for maps and things like that, for GPS navigation, like, oh, that would be a good place for it. Nope, the handlebar juts out just enough that didn't work. So I had to order the handlebar mount one, and so that was the other big fail of the weekend. Is I couldn't get a video done right on the bike, and then didn't have the parts to do one in the garage. So that's when especially after coming back and not having any audio, that was a bummer. And so if you're watching this, that means I got everything working. I've got this new setup in the well, it's an old setup in the new helmet. I moved the microphone to a different place. It's a little further back at the cheek pad. Hopefully that'll reduce the wind noise, but also reduce hearing me breathe. And so if everything sounds good, everything looks good, I'll be posting this. Let me know in the comments if everything sounds okay, or if everything looks okay. If I need to make any adjustments, I appreciate the feedback. Now coming up, got some more videos. I'm going to get that quad lock install done this weekend. I got to take the tank cover off and do a couple other things. Route the USB cable in a way that's not going to cause any problems. And I'm coming up here pretty shortly on 500 miles, so I'd like to do a video review of the bike at 500 miles and what it's like to live with. So lots of other things planned. Just hopefully won't have as much bad luck all at the same time again. So anyway, stay tuned for all that, and thanks for watching. See you soon.